I'm coming to you on a heat wave. No matter how long your love takes, I'm coming to you on a steam train, speeding out of the night again, night again, night again, night again. Something sacred that you believe in. Is there a castle to defend? I'm approaching with an open heart, coming to you right from the start. And now are you gonna let me in? I'm coming to you on a heat wave. Is there something that I should have told you? Or better should I have left it unsaid?